Hey guys! Today we are exploring a massive piece of maritime history that just opened its doors right here in Kuching. This is the Brooke Dockyard Industrial Heritage Museum, Malaysia's and Borneo's very first shipyard, built all the way back in 1912. It's been completely transformed into amazing waterfront attraction. And the best part? It literally opened about a month ago and entry is still 100% free. Let's head inside. But this isn't your typical dusty museum where you just stare at glass cases. We are walking through a living archive where you can literally play shipwright on interactive screens, explore the tight quarters of a century-old royal vessel, and experience a hidden lower deck that's kept at a freezing 16 degrees Celsius. Let's look at the 5 things you cannot miss. Alright, right outside, you can see the original historic dry dock winching systems where massive ships were historically pulled in and repaired. Once you step inside, the journey begins at the Kuching Timeline. This is an interactive, disabled-friendly digital screen that beautifully documents the city's historical growth and development over the decades. It's a great accessible way to see how a small trading post turned into the Kuching we know today. Moving on to the interactive shipyard section. This is easily one of the most fun parts of the museum. It features a hands-on, build your ship area where you can digitally piece together different ship parts. Surrounding the game, you can explore the original massive machinery, actual ship engines, and the highly complex technical drawings that engineers used for historic ship fabrication back in the day. Next up is the Man of Steel and River and Ships displays. Head upstairs to find the Man of Steel, a dedicated exhibition honoring the incredible workers of the dockyard. It's packed with emotional video clips and audio accounts detailing their intense engineering roles and personal histories. Right nearby, the Rivers and Ships section highlights Sarawak's unique past, showcasing traditional river boats, and the clever methods locals used for river crossings before modern bridges existed. Now for the absolute centerpiece of the entire museum, the HHY Zahora replica. This is a magnificent full-sized replica of the historic royal vessel used by the right Rajahs between 1896 and 1928. Because rivers were the highways of old Sarawak, this ship was essential. The coolest part? You can fully explore the interior. You can walk through the Rajah's private living space, step into the wheelhouse to see the navigation controls, check out the crew's mess room, and peer into the cabin's quarters and interactive information screens. Which brings us to the below deck preservation vault and dock lane. When you head to the below deck area of the Zahora, the temperature drops drastically to about 16 degrees Celsius. This ultra-chilled environment is a specialized vault used by the Sarawak Museum Department to safeguard delicate historic maritime records from the tropical humidity. And before you leave, make sure to walk out to Dock Lane to check out the gorgeous wall murals depicting the bustling social life of the old waterfront community. Seriously, if you are in Kuching and looking for a weekend activity that combines incredible interactive history, air-conditioned comfort, and great photo spots, you need to get down here before the free entry period ends. The Brooke Dockyard Industrial Heritage Museum is a world-class space that beautifully brings Sarawak's maritime legacy back to life. It's open from 9 a.m. to 4:45 p.m. on weekdays and 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on weekends and public holidays. Since it just opened a month ago and entry is still free, make sure to add this to your weekend plans or Kuching itinerary. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, smash that like button, comment below letting me know which section looked the coolest to you, and don't forget to subscribe for more local tours. See you in the next vlog. Bye!